Simple, effortless, and accessible are not words typically associated with perfectly painted nails.
This, on the other hand, is something we're all too familiar with.
But what if you could get a flawless manicure at home, on your schedule, and without having to lift a finger? It's not a hypothetical question. It's Nimble, the first ever smart device to flawlessly paint and fully dry your nails. Nimble scans the size, shape, and curve of each individual nail, while a tiny robotic arm seamlessly applies the polish. Each nail gets a base coat, 2 layers of color, and a top coat. An airflow system is activated between each coat to simultaneously paint and dry your nails. Life doesn't have to slow down for beauty, and neither should you.
Meet Nimble, salon-quality nails in the comfort of your home in a fraction of the time. Professional polish in just 10 minutes, including drying anytime. Nimble. Delight at your fingertips.